Ciao tutti, buongiorno. Today we are going to look at ING, in other words Injective. I'm planning on making more videos about altcoins, and I will also try to upload some educational content regarding trading. Since BTC is going a bit sideways, there's not a whole lot going on. I think it's good to broaden our perspective. And at the same time, there are also a lot of altcoins that right now are presenting a great opportunity to accumulate and to start trading. So I would say without further ado, let's start diving in. As I said, today we're looking at ING. This is on the daily. Right away, a disclaimer, I am holding ING in spot. I bought some at the area that we are right now. So this was my accumulation range. And why was that my range? Well, that was actually very simple, because we had this huge run up from approximately $1-ish when it got launched. Then it went all the way up to $52, and now we are getting that bigger retracement to the golden pocket value area low at approximately, let's say, $22-ish to approximately 27, 28. And that was in combination with the golden pocket value area low. So that was for me a great reason to start accumulating this coin. Have to say, volume profile is a little bit biased, because you could also say I am pulling it from here, from when we really had that first pump at start. Then you can see we are trading underneath that value area low. Then actually would say that's pretty weak. You could also pull it way more to the beginning, let's say approximately the launch. But yeah, the further you go back, then you see value area low, point of control, and value area high, and then completely at the bottom. So I like to draw it like how you initially saw it. So that is right here, and then you can see that we're right now fighting with that area. Something else that I also like very much, and that is market Cipher B here on the daily. As you can see, you have these momentum waves curving to the upside. Money flow looks like it also wants to roll over to the upside. RSI is already pointing higher, and the VWAP. I think that once we are getting some traction and everything starts to pump again, that this thing will go absolutely to the moon. So this for me was an extra confirmation to start accumulating this altcoin. Also on the 2-day here, very nice rounding bottom, and you can see this super tight trigger wave here on the 2-day. Green dot, VWAP higher, RSI is higher, money flow is also curving up. So this just looks very good. And I think we can expect absolutely firework from this coin. What are the prices that I am looking at during the next upcoming market? Well, if we're then looking at coin market cap, then we're seeing that right now this coin has a market cap for approximately 2.5 billion. We are right now trading approximately half of the all-time high. So even if we were to go back to the all-time high, you're talking about approximately 5 billion. I think that we can top out somewhere between the previous all-time high, so $52, $53 to $100. So that will be then about $10 billion. That is really big, but I think we can reach it, especially because this coin is just holding up so nicely during this correction, and it's just textbook retracing to this golden pocket value area low. You don't see very big crazy spikes. It is hard to manipulate this coin because almost all the circulating supply is already out. So yeah, it's actually very nice. So I will also try to actively trade this in the future. For now, I'm not doing that. Again, full disclosure, I'm just accumulating this here on spot. I still have a bag of USDT on the sidelines. Because I can always be wrong, and we can have another move to the downside. In the previous run, I made the mistake to go all in on one price, and eventually price came down, and then I couldn't accumulate anymore because I was already completely in. Now I'm DCAing much more into the market, yeah, in case we are going lower, we could also still make a very nice bullish divergence here on the momentum waves, where they go a little bit higher, and then price goes a little bit lower. And also that 78.6 is still something I have my eye on, because not only is that the 78.6, but also you have this chunk of trading, and I hope you can see it. You have this very nice trading volume because of these candles, of course. So I would be very surprised if we do not see some kind of a reaction of that 78.6 at approximately $15 to $16. As of for now, I am leaning towards the fact that this is the bottom, that we are going higher from here. then you would say, well, Ray, if this is the bottom, we're going higher, why not ape in completely? Well, first of all, like I said, I was wrong, and second of all, because I like the idea then more of DCAing, you do then of course risk the chance that if you need to get in a later moment when you see market structure shifting to the upside, is that I will DCA in on the retraces. So yes, my average entry will then go up a little bit because you're buying in higher then of course, but I would happily do that, and then yeah, kind of keep the opportunity at the table that in case we are getting for whatever reason another dump, then I can just buy lower. But I completely accept the fact that I missed the bottom, was very much surprised that so many alts were already running. If you have been following the channel for a while, then you know that I have been talking about the fact that this run really is different. For example, Bitcoin made a new all-time high before the halving. We saw a lot of alts doing 5x, 10x in the last couple months, and usually they are running months behind BTC after the halving. So I was very much surprised to see so many alts already pumping up. I mean, even if you look at this coin, we're talking about 3000% already from that bottom here of a bit more than $1. So congratulations if you got in this early. I don't think that we are going that low anymore. And like I said, it looks to me that these lows right now are the bottom. If we're going to 78.6, I take it as a gift. If we go even lower, I will sell my damn kidney to buy more. But for now, I'm staying bullish, and with bullish and long term, I really mean for the next 12 months, maybe longer. And for trading, of course, it will be day by day, level by level. But for spot portfolio, it is really for a long period of time. Okay, that will be it for now. If you want me to cover certain alts, then please let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to do so. Like I said, I'll also try to prepare some educational trading content, and we'll post it on YouTube. If we see a big move on BTC or anything else, then of course I will also update you as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much, and please do me a favor by liking, subscribing, clicking on the bell, click on all so you don't miss then those future updates. And also feel free to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Both those links you'll find in the description. And see you guys very soon again in the next one. Bye bye.